I make $1,000 just using Ricklinks. What is happening to my website? It's like I crashed this website. Uh, it's working. You can, you guys can see that this is not the fake money. It's real. $1,000 just using Ricklinks. Those who don't know what is Ricklinks is a basically a URL shortener. Or share your links and make money. That is the thing Ricklinks do. You guys can make money. Share your links, like share your links Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or social platform you choose for share your links. That's up to you. I make this $1,000 share links in Facebook. So I need to withdraw this amount. You should fill your withdrawal into info from your profile setting. First of all, this video is not scripted. It's my parts. I just want to say, first of all, I am not good with talking. You guys need to adjust that too. I need to share my address. I'm gonna choose fake address because I don't want to share my address. Rick network. Our address India. City Delhi. State. Ignore that part. India. Choose your. I'm gonna choose Binance because what should I do? For Binance Pay, add your network and deposit address. Finally, add source traffic source. Okay. Binance Binance. This is my Binance network address, and traffic source is basically Facebook. Traffic source. Source. Facebook and submit. It's working now. I payments withdraw my 1,000. Okay, I am sure. Yeah, I am sure. Definitely. Now let's see what's happening. What's happened? Is my status pending or not? If you want to see my withdrawal in future success or not, what you need to do? Go to Ricklinks payment proof. This is all user currently they pay for their work. If my withdrawal is success, that should be listed in there. Our public rates. You guys can see $6 for share your link and get 1,000. This is CPM and is earning per $1,006. What you are waiting for? Share your link, convert your links in there and share it and make money as you like. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like it. Goodbye. Like, share, subscribe.